What's the meaning of being? Being. Being.
Being. Being. Being can refer to the state or quality of existence. It is a broad concept that can encompass all forms of life, from humans to animals and plants, as well as all non-living things, such as objects and ideas. Being implies a sense of presence and identity, indicating that something or someone exists in a particular time and place. Philosophically, being also represents the essence of a thing and its fundamental nature. Understanding being involves exploring fundamental questions about existence, identity, and purpose. It is a complex and multifaceted concept that has been explored by scholars and thinkers throughout history.